Hi guys, hope you had an amazing week. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and check out my travel and recipe videos. Also do consider subscribing to my channel. Today we are going to cook a wonderful and delicious pork recipe from Tripura called Laiphang Bai Wahan Chakhwi, which is basically banana stems and pork cooked with cooking soda and beautifully flavored by kafir lime leaves. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, banana stems, kafir lime leaves, ginger, rice flour powder, soda or khar, salt and green chilies. Now let's start cooking. First of all, let's clean the banana stem. Peel the outer layers, then the thinner fibers too, until you reach the core. Then chop them into long pieces. Press the stem one by one and squeeze out the water and soften it. Now cut them into 2 inches and rinse them couple of times. Take a pan, add about 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now lower the flame, add your pork pieces, salt and cooking soda or khar. Open cook it for 20 minutes. Add the chopped banana stems, slit green chilies and ginger. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes or until your meat is tender. Now add your rice flour paste and kafir lime leaves. Stir it gently for a couple of minutes. Then let it open cook for 5 minutes. And just like that, our Tripuri style pork with banana stems is ready. This traditional Tiprasa recipe is rustic. The pork and banana stems have blended together perfectly, and the aroma from the leaves is to die for. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.